Hi, I'm Jessica Valant, and I want you to join me on January 10th, 2022 for my 21-day Mind-Body New Year's Challenge happening over in my Unlimited community. So we are gonna work on our mindset and on movement for 3 weeks. What that means is I wanna help you release any false beliefs that you hold that might be holding you back. So we're gonna work on our mindset around believing in ourselves, around finding joy in movement, and seeing our body as a partner in this life. We're also gonna have movement. So we're gonna have movement routines from beginner all the way to advanced. All levels are welcome. Modifications will be there. They're gonna include workout videos, some live workouts, and an amazing community so that you can feel empowered and you can have fun going into the new year. So again, we start January 10th for 3 weeks in my Unlimited community. The link is in the description and I would love to have you there.